Welcome to the Foodbank app CMS tutorial video. The purpose of this video is to provide a step-by-step guide for Foodbank teams to assist in setting up the Foodbank app. It provides information about how to use the content management system to add to and edit the content of the app. Let's start with logging on. Open your browser, for example Internet Explorer, on your computer or tablet. Enter the following URL into the address bar: foodbank.redemptionmedia.co.uk. Please note you don't need to type www. Before the address. You should have received an email from us with details of your username and password. Enter your username, usually your contact email address, in the username field. If you have forgotten your password, click below the login button and we will email you your password. Otherwise, enter your password in the password field, then click Login. If your password and username were correct, you should now be viewing your unique Foodbank Content Management System home screen. This page allows you to add items to and edit your app's shopping list, including changing priority levels for each item, create updates, which are news items that will instantly appear in your app. You can create and edit the Foodbank info page of your app, telling your supporters about your Foodbank, your operating times, etc. You can set the address of your Foodbank, including a location map. You can generate notifications, which are instant messages that can be sent to every user of your app. And you can view and edit your account settings. Let's start with the shopping list. To add a new item to your shopping list, select the Shopping List tab on the top left and click on Add Item. Click in the Name field and type in the name of the item you wish to add, for example toilet roll. The text will appear in the app exactly as you type it in this field, so make sure spellings and capital letters are correct. Choose the status of the item, as in how urgently it is required, by clicking the appropriate circle. If you click low, the item will appear in green in the shopping list, medium will appear amber, and high will appear red. Click Create. You should now have returned to the shopping list tab. To alter the priority status of any item in the shopping list, click on low, medium or high for the relevant item in the table. You can alter the status of as many items as you wish in one go. Click on the Update Status button to save your changes. If you don't click this button, the changes in statuses will not be saved. You may wish to update the shopping list header text in your app. This is the text that appears above the list of items in the shopping list section of your app. We have included some basic text which you may wish to keep, edit or replace. To edit the shopping list header text, click in the white text field below the shopping list header text title. Edit the text to your requirements. Click on the blue Update text box to save your changes. A pop-up will appear asking you if you are sure you wish to update the header text. Click OK. You can edit the header text as frequently as you wish, but remember always to click Update Text to save your changes. To remove an item from your shopping list, click Delete in the relevant row. A window will appear asking you if you are sure you wish to delete the item. Click OK. Let's move on to updates. Updates are news items that you can share with your supporters. For example, if you have a successful supermarket collection, you may wish to share photos and details of what you have collected. To add a new update, click on the Updates tab on the Foodbank CMS homepage. You will be taken to the Add Updates page. Create and format your text within the text box. For example, you might want to write to thank users for their continued support, or to tell them about an upcoming supermarket collection and ask for volunteers. When you have finished the text, click the Create button. You will return to the Updates list. To edit your updates, edit any of your updates by clicking Edit next to the relevant update. Edit the text, then click Update button to save changes. To delete an update, Delete any of your updates by clicking Delete next to the relevant update. A pop-up will appear asking you if you are sure you want to proceed. Click OK. In the More page of your CMS, you can set the address of your food bank so that your supporters know where to bring their donations. Once you have entered an address and a postcode, the app will automatically display a Google map of your location that will allow the user to zoom in and out. To add your address, from the Foodbank CMS home screen, click on the More tab. Click Update Address. On the Update Address screen, enter the full address of your food bank. It is very important to add a valid postcode in standard format, otherwise a map will not be displayed. If you have more than one address, for example an admin address and an operating address, you could choose to add an additional location in the Foodbank Info section. The Foodbank Info section, also in the More tab of your app, shares details about your food bank with your supporters. To add a new item to the Foodbank Info page, click Add Foodbank Info and you'll be taken to the Add Foodbank Info page, where you can enter a title in the first text field. For example, you might want to add the title Operating Times so that your supporters know when to drop off their donations. Other Foodbank info topics could be What is our food bank for? Or information about your parent church or your team, etc. Enter the content text in the second text field using the standard buttons to format your text. If you would like to add an image, for example a photo of your team, to your Foodbank info entry, click the Add Image button. A pop-up will appear inviting you to choose an image from your computer. You will therefore need to have uploaded the photo or saved another digital image to your computer's hard drive in advance. Select the correct image by double-clicking on the file name. Click Upload to add the image. Now your Foodbank info entry is complete, click Create to save your changes. To edit a Foodbank info entry, click Edit next to the entry you wish to edit. Edit your text, then click the Update button to save your changes. To delete a Foodbank info entry, still under the More tab, click Delete next to the entry you wish to delete. A pop-up will appear asking you if you are sure you wish to proceed. Click OK. Back to the CMS home screen. Notifications. Notifications are instant messages that are sent to all users of your app. You can use notifications to communicate with your supporters when certain food items are urgently required, or when you have a shortage of volunteers, etc. To add a new notification, from the Foodbank CMS home screen, click on the Notifications tab. In the Notifications page, enter your short notification, maximum 100 characters, in the text field. When you are happy with the text, click Send Notification. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm and send. Check the text very carefully, as once you have clicked Send, the message will be transmitted instantly to all your app users and cannot be edited. Account. In the Account section, you can view and update your Foodbank app account details. To view and/or update your account information, from the Foodbank CMS home screen, click on the Account tab. Once in the Account Information page, you can view your registration details. To change any of your details, click the blue Update Information button. Edit the relevant text fields, then click the Save button to save your changes, or Cancel to return to the Account Information screen. To change your account password, again from the Foodbank CMS home screen, click on the Account tab. Click on the blue Change Password button. Enter your current password, then your new password, and finally retype your new password in the Confirm Password field. Click Save to confirm the change. Sorting lists. Whenever you see the double arrow symbol, you can sort a list of items by that field. For example, in the shopping list screen, if you click on the double arrow next to Last Updates, the entries will be sorted in date order. For training on how to use the finished app, see the accompanying video entitled Foodbank App Walkthrough. For more information about us and the other apps we have developed, please visit our website www.redemptionmedia.co.uk.